Good morning, student. I am Srikant Sharma. After a long time, I am present in front of you with your second chapter of geography, that is physical features of India. Under the revision classes, in previous class, you know about physical feature. Under this video, you will learn about the physical feature first, that is called the Himalayan mountain. Under this video, we will learn about the Himalayan mountain. Student, major physiographic division of India is the Himalayan mountain, the northern plain, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plain, and the islands. Student, the first topic, the Himalayan mountain. Come on. The Himalayas geographically young and structurally fold mountain. Student, you know structurally how many types of mountain? Structurally, all mountains are divided in four groups: fold mountain, block mountain, volcanic mountain, and rift mountain. Fold mountain means they are formed or their structure made by pressure of two plates. दो प्लेटों के दबाव के कारण चट्टानों के मुड़ने से जो पर्वत बनता है वो फोल्ड माउंटेन का होता है. Mountain who formed by volcanic mountain. After pressure of two plates, one piece of plates after broken turns upward and formed as a mountain, that is known as block mountain. And all these three type of mountain, once again block mountain. Thank you. Student, after pressure of two geological plates, one piece of any plates after broken turns upward. दो प्लेटों के दबाव के कारण किसी प्लेट का अगर एक हिस्सा टूटकर ऊपर को उठ जाता है तो उसे ब्लॉक माउंटेन कहते हैं. एंड all these three type of mountain, block mountain, fold mountain, volcanic mountain, after a long period slowly erased by the depositional force of nature, rain, water, wind, etc. So when their natural character changed, that is known as rest mountain. Himalaya is cold mountain. So geographically young, formed in Cretaceous era, and structurally fold mountain stretch over the northern border of India. The northern range runs in the west-east direction from the Indus to Brahmaputra. The westernal border of this mountain Himalaya makes river Indus. and external border of this mountain meets Brahmaputra. So Himalaya formed between Indus to Brahmaputra. Indus to Brahmaputra. Student, the Himalayan represent the loftiest and one of the most rugged mountain barriers of the world. Student, barrier means रुकावट, बाधा. Student, this form an arc which covers a distance of about 2400 kilometers. Means the length of Himalaya is 2400 kilometers. The width varies from 400 kilometers in Kashmir, 400 kilometers in Kashmir, and only 150 kilometers in Arunachal Pradesh. The altitudinal variations are greater in the eastern half and those in the western half. The Himalaya consists of three parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent. The northern range is known as Great Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, and Outer Himalaya. A parallel range in the longitudinal extent. A number of valleys lie between these ranges. The northernmost range is known as the Great or Inner Himalaya or Himadri. Student, in 1962, first attack of Chinese was on this Great Himalaya और हिमाद्री. चीन का पहला आक्रमण इसी हिमाद्री पर हुआ था. उन दिनों हमारे राष्ट्रकवि ने एक धुन गाई थी. आज फिर एक समय आ गया है हम पुनः उस धुन को गुनगुनाएं, क्योंकि आज फिर हमारी सरहदों पर वही आकर खड़ा हो गया है. हम लोग एक बार फिर याद कर रहे हैं, शेर के मांद में आया है सियार आज, जागो फिर एक बार. बच्चों, उन दिनों रामधारी सिंह दिनकर ने गाया था, हिमाद्री दुर्ग श्रृंग से प्रबुद्ध शुद्ध भारती, स्वयं प्रभा स्वमज्ज्वला स्वतंत्रता पुकारती. Student, common topic. The length of this northern range of Himalaya, that is called Great Himalaya, Himadri or Northern Himalaya, a 2400 kilometer. but it is the most continuous range, consisting of the loftiest peak with an average height of 6,000 meters. The average height of Great Himalaya is 6,000 meters. It contains all the prominent Himalaya peaks, just like Mount Everest, 8,848 meters. You know where is student? Mount Everest located in Nepal. In Nepali language, it is also called Sagarmatha. Nepali name of Mount Everest, Sagarmatha. The highest peak of Himalaya in India, Kanchenjunga. Height of Kanchenjunga, 8,598 meters. Once again, 8,598 meters. The fold of Great Himalaya are approximately in nature. The core of this part of Himalayas is composed of ग्रेनाइट. इस पहाड़ का, इस रेंज का जो कोर है, नीचे का हिस्सा, वो बिल्कुल ग्रेनाइट का बना है. This is showing in past that was the bottom of sea. यह साबित करता है कि एक दिन यह समुद्र का पेंदा था. Yes, you know, Himalaya constructed in Tethys. In past, that was Tethys. Then the second range of Himalaya is called Himadri. The range lying to the south of the Himadri forms the most rugged mountain system and is known as Himachal or Lesser Himalaya also. Himachal, Lesser Himalaya. The range are mainly composed to highly compressed and altered rocks. The altitude varies between 3,700 meter to 4,500 meter. Once again, the width of this second range, that is called Himachal or Lesser Himalaya, width only 50 kilometer, altitude 3,700 meter to 4,500 meter varies. Student, while the Pir Panjal range in Kashmir forms the longest and most important range. Other important range is Mahabharata range, Dhauladhar range, and many other small range comes under this. the Kangra, the Kullu Valley in Himachal Pradesh are also located under this. This range is well known for its hill stations. You know, name of hill station located under this? Mysore, Mysore, Nainital, Ranikhet, Kashmir, Srinagar, etc. Student, this middle range of Himalaya, this middle range of Himalaya is called Lesser Himalaya. But the southern range of Himalaya, that is called Outer Himalaya or Shivalik. That is called Outer Himalaya or Shivalik. Student, the width of Shivalik is 10 km to 50 km. The altitude of Shivalik range is 900 meter to 1100 meter. The altitude of Shivalik range is 900 meter to 1100 meter. And the main feature of this range is soil type rock. इस रेंज में बहुत जमे हुए कठोर चट्टानें मिट्टी टाइप के. So these valleys are covered with thick gravel and high amount of alluvium. The longitudinal valley lying between Lesser Himalaya and the Shivalik are known as Don. स्टूडेंट, कम ऊंचाई वाले मिडिल हिमालय और आउटर हिमालय शिवालिक के बीच की जो वैली है उसे दोन कहते हैं. देहरादून, पाटलीदून, कोटलीदून आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ दोन. स्टूडेंट, beside the longitudinal division, the Himalaya have been divided by some river, and also their name is also depends between this river. The Himalaya lying between Indus to Satluj. Indus to Satluj. This is known as Punjab Himalaya. Mainly Punjab Himalaya located in Jammu Kashmir and Himachal, but called Punjab Himalaya because this is the origin of 5 famous rivers. This is the origin of 5 famous rivers, that is called Jhelum, Ravi, Vyas, Satluj and Chenab. Satluj, Ravi, Vyas, Jhelum and Chenab. So this is the origin of 5 Aab called Punjab Himalaya, but located in Kashmir and Himachal. So at present this is also known as Kashmir Himalaya. Student, second, Himalaya located between Satluj and Kali river. Satluj and Kali river. This is called Kumaon Himalaya. This is called Kumaon Himalaya. And Himalaya located between Kali to Tista. Kali to Tista. This is called Nepal Himalaya. Kali to Tista called Nepal Himalaya. And Tista to Dihang, at present, Dihang is also known as Brahmaputra. But in Arunachal Pradesh, the name of this river is Dihang. So, Tista to Dihang, Himalaya known as Assam Himalaya. Himalaya known as Assam Himalaya. And east part of this means external part of Dihang, the most remote mountain range turns southward. Turns southward. This is called Purvanchal. Under this, Naga, Patkoi, Lushai and Mekir range comes. Student, in next class we will learn about peninsular plateau. So, under this class completed. This class is completed. Thank you. Well done.